Hello, I'm starting my morning off by drinking some leftover matcha that I got from Bluestone Lane. It's okay, it's not the best matcha, but it gets the job done. I woke up a little later today, so I'm kind of in a time crunch, but I really want to get a workout in. This is gonna help me get some energy before the workout, and I really only have a little bit because I don't want my tummy to hurt, and I know I'm gonna eat a really good breakfast after my workout. And obviously the matcha's hitting because I'm definitely feeling the energy here. Depending on the workouts I do, I'll eat actual food before, but since this might be only just a 30-40 minute workout, I think I'll be okay just relying on the matcha caffeine to kind of get me through. Unfortunately, I have a gym downstairs, so I just do my workout there, especially when I am in a hurry. Typically, it's something high in carbs that will give me quick energy, and it's easily digested with a little bit of protein. So sometimes it is a banana and some nut butter, sometimes it's cereal and milk, sometimes it is just a little teaspoon of honey. It really just depends. Okay, so workout is done. I look a mess, but really good workout. Doing a leg workout, and then you saw I've been really trying to incorporate more like hangs to really develop my like grip strength and relieving also my back because your girl has really bad back pain. It's about 10:16. I have a client call at 11, so I don't think I have enough time to shower, unfortunately. So I might just like wash my face, get a little bit more presentable. And I don't have time to eat breakfast, I think, so I'm going to have a protein shake, sip on it while on the call, and then after the call, I'll make breakfast. I am going to like the nail place just because I don't know if it's registering on camera. I'm actually going engagement ring shopping with my, I feel like sister-in-law, but my boyfriend's sister. I love her so much. She's so good with like jewelry, love her sense of style. So she's coming with me to look at rings. We have 2 appointments later on today, so that's why I got my nails done, which I normally don't, but I thought this was a special occasion and I just want to see it look really put together and pretty. But I went yesterday and I usually get French manicure classic, and then I like a chrome finish because I like that like sparkly finish. I don't know, me with nail salons, I don't go there enough to be like, oh, this is my usual. So I let the girl kind of decide the chrome, but I really wanted just like a more pearl, like normal chrome, like no coloring, just like more like a white neutral. And it's not registering on camera, but in some lightings it's like iridescently purple. It's so faint, but like in person it's giving LED screen. So I'm gonna go back and kind of get it fixed, even though I hate doing that. This is my first time going back and saying like, can you fix this? I'm so sorry. But if it wasn't for me like shopping tomorrow or today, I wouldn't have done it in the first place. So I also was like, I want to get my money's worth out of this. And I'm also hoping this will last until Punta Cana that we're going in June. So I'm like, that's an expense and treat that I'll like have for myself. But anyway, so all that to say, I finished my workout. I feel really great. I feel sweaty. I feel strong. The endorphins are kicking in. I'm going to run back home, wash up, have a protein shake, have my client call, shower, head to the nail salon, and yeah, you'll just see me when I do it. So I actually did have time to shower fully, like an everything shower, because I did want to feel clean. I'm on my period, so I was just like, I don't want to marinate with sweat and period. So I decided to just do everything while I look over my client's notes to kind of prep for the call. I'm having like a protein shake. I like this one. The ingredient police is gonna probably type in the comments saying that this is bad. No, it's fine. I know they have different versions, like a 40 something gram protein. They have only this one on hand, and it's okay because I am going to eat a breakfast afterwards. This is just truly to kind of hold me over because I definitely feel like I need something. I didn't even eat before this workout, which is unlike me. I was just like really in a hurry. So I just had a couple sips of that matcha drink to kind of give me some caffeine boost to have a good workout. And I definitely felt in the workout that I wasn't there to where I usually am, but it's okay. A workout is still a workout. I still showed up, got it done, and that's really all that matters. Let me give this a good shake. So I'm gonna sip on this and have my call. This to me tastes like that. Oh my gosh, what's that brand? I'm gonna put it on screen if I can't remember it, but you know, in like childhood birthday parties, there was always like that tub of vanilla and chocolate ice cream in those mini cups. We always had them at our school. This tastes exactly like that. And to me, it's so nostalgic and delicious and yummy. It's definitely giving artificial vanilla taste, but hey, I like it, not gonna lie. Hi, how's it going? I'm good. How was yours? How did you celebrate it? Ooh, yeah. So what have you been bringing to work for your lunch? Beautiful. Ooh, okay, so there's like lots of veggies. But let's like experiment this week, see how like filling it actually is. Wow! That is amazing. And the supplement is the most studied out of all the supplements, like this one, I'm totally fine with you taking. I like this as NSF certified, which means it's third party tested, which means you're not getting anything like weird metals, like what is on the label is on the label, and you can be confident in that. Good. No, I'm really proud of you. Education around calories and like how many calories you burn in a day, what that makes, and so let me actually share my screen because I'm such a visual learner. And this might shock people because people think like, oh, when they're on a weight loss journey, like I'm working out, why aren't I losing weight? Calorie balance in general. Maintenance calories, this number is 2,249. So we can take this number and say, okay, what do we want for ourselves? If you have any questions, feel free, please reach out. Have a good rest of your day. So my boyfriend's sister and her boyfriend are staying with us this weekend. And the guys are all out. They're doing like work stuff. And we're at home and we're gonna have breakfast. And I asked her what she wanted. She's not picky at all, but I was like, we can make breakfast here or we can go somewhere, but we just settled on just making something here. So she made herself an amazing matcha, and she actually used the Fairlife vanilla protein that I was sipping on earlier today for like milk, and it was delicious. So now we are going to make like a bacon, egg, and cheese, but instead of a bacon, it's like a sausage, egg, and cheese because that's all we have. We're gonna be using the Dave's Killer Bread bagels, which I love these because literally a whole bagel has 12 grams of protein, which is awesome. 5 grams of fiber, which you know a dietitian loves. She's here for the weekend. Yes. So we're making and assembling our bacon, egg, and cheese, or sausage, egg, and cheese bagels. The bagels here, they're toasted. So here's some cheese. Thank you. I might add some arugula on mine. You don't have to if you want. You can free. Yeah, I might add a little bit. Arugula, and then we have the eggies and the sausages. Yeah.
Honestly, now that I'm comparing the matchas, they're pretty good on color.
Yeah, tell them about your matcha.
Okay, so this is the tea. Well, actually, I made like a few good matchas, but not like good enough. And today, Charissa was drinking, what is it called? The Fairlife?
Fairlife.
The Fairlife like protein.
Yeah.
Powder, I guess.
Vanilla protein drink.
Yeah, shake.
Milkshake. Yeah.
The little ones that come in the bottle. And I've always wanted to try them because I always see people putting them in their coffee, and I'm like, how good can that really be? And then I put it in my matcha, and normally my matcha is like really milky, but this tastes amazing. Like I think the Fairlife protein like really like amped it up.
Okay.
But yeah, honestly, the best matcha.
Delicious.
It's so good.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm. Do you put it on one side?
I did. I totally put it on the wrong side. I put it on the top, but I put it on the bottom because I think then I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna lay an egg on top, so hopefully that heat will kind of melt it.
I remember when I stayed here, like freshman or sophomore year, and you made me like the best breakfast burrito I've ever had in my life. And that was so good.
Yeah, there was definitely a phase where we were like obsessed with burritos, but took that, not even just normal burritos, but like turned it into breakfast
insane.
burritos, and yeah, those are
so
fire.
good.
We bought like these tortillas that are genuinely like
You guys had them for
this
years.
size. I know, because we accidentally bought a 12 pack of 12 versus like a 12 pack.
Yeah.
So we got a huge box
That is
of
so
tortillas,
funny.
and I was like, "You want a burrito? You want a burrito? Who
Everybody-
wants a
Oh, yeah,
burrito?"
you guys
We
had
had a
burrito
burrito
night.
party with all our friends. I was like, "Just make your burritos."
Yeah.
There's sausage patties.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, because at the time, my mom. Well, a picture of ours with my mom.
Oh yeah. Cheers. Hopefully it's good.
I'm excited.
All this hype for what?
For real.
Try this.
I'm also gonna try with the Cholula. I feel like Cholula just adds flavor.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
literally, because this is definitely like, it tastes healthy. It tastes lean.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So much
It's so
flavor. We're both going ring shopping. We set up everything, thankfully. So we're gonna browse. What are you looking for?
Low-key have an idea what I want, which is crazy because I'm not getting engaged like for years. But basically, I've been getting a lot of TikToks on my For You page. I think like God knew to send them. For me, I feel like, oh, I know the kind of ring I would want, but I'm not really looking for anything particular. Like, I'm just like curious to see like what the shapes look like.
Mm-hmm.
What I would probably want in a ring is like an emerald cut, probably a gold band. But I honestly really like how the silver looks on me.
You can have literally gold or silver.
I agree. I
and
think my
outfit.
skin tone like allows me to have both because I mix gold and silver jewelry. Anyways, I feel like for you, I want to see how oval looks on you. I'm curious because you wear more gold, so like a gold band.
Mm-hmm.
I'm curious on how you would like the setting.
What's the setting?
The setting is like how high like the ring is.
I do like the gold stuff, like gold band, but I want to experiment too with like more of those like neutral, shiny bands, like the ones with diamonds around it too.
Oh, like the pave. I think
Yeah,
so.
something like that. And like I don't know, I kind of do like the more like white, bluey tone.
I'm so excited.
I told her that this is my wonky finger because
It's
I'm
not
left-handed.
wonky.
So I'm gonna be like,
No, it's not wonky. It's perfect.
okay, we're gonna eat this and talk more.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
We walked around Chinatown and we stopped at the famous place called Mei Lai Wa. The really famous one is the pineapple buns, but we've had that a couple times and sometimes it's just a little too sweet for us, so we like the roasted pork buns. I really like their big buns, which has a salted egg, pork, chicken. It has like everything in it, but it's steamed instead of baked, and the dough is a bit different. Then we went to Art Bean Coffee Roasters and we love this place. I got an ube latte. I can never finish these, but this was so delicious. And I generally have been loving my outfits and accessories, specifically this Ana Luisa jewelry that I recently got. I'm really like a simple gal. A lot of my outfits are neutrals. I want to start investing in good quality pieces that aren't just trendy, aren't just going to tarnish after 1 or 2 uses. The quality is really unmatched. It's super long lasting, hypoallergenic, and water resistant, which means I can wear this at the gym, in the shower, and the whole entire day. They're pretty affordable and they have designs starting at just $39, and the more you buy, the more you save because they have a worry-free guarantee that has a 2-year warranty on all products. They have an actual store here in New York, and I first found out about them through my really stylish friend. She loves that place, gets a lot of her jewelry pieces there, and everyone was so sweet and welcomed us, complimented our outfits. It was such a good vibe. So I'm so thankful that they sent me some pieces to share with you guys. So even if you don't live in New York, you can still get free and fast shipping within the US, and if you're anywhere else in the world, their shipping is very affordable. I recently got my second hole pierced and it's still healing, so I really want to be careful about what I put on my body, and I just know Ana Luisa's quality is unbeatable and really elevates any outfit that I wear. I'm not gonna lie, I've been wearing these almost every single day. I went on a trip to Oregon over Memorial Day weekend and I brought these and my friends loved it. I also love the two tones because I've been really loving mixing wearing my jewelry pieces. I just feel like I get way more wear out of them, and having this specific earring helps tie everything together. What's really cool, I found out that you can actually detach the bottom link to this earring. So on days that I don't feel like I need to be super flashy with the earring, like at the gym, I'll just unhook bottom chain, so my style, and I just feel super confident with it. So if you're looking for more classic yet unique jewelry pieces that are super good quality, you can wear whenever with whatever outfit, check out Ana Luisa's pieces. Check out the link in my description box below to start shopping long-lasting and affordable jewelry pieces that you can wear and elevate your style. Then we stopped by Juliana's. We got a pizza with prosciutto and arugula, a classic margarita. My boyfriend loves this white pizza, pancetta and scallions, which sounds kind of weird, but it just really works, and it's honestly really delicious. And we did have a couple fun glasses of sangria. And that's basically what I ate in this day. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!